Did you see our travel day vlog from North Carolina to Florida? And then did you see our Thanksgiving Day vlog?
You drink too much Beverly, this is what it does to you.
Yes! Good one!
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to around the run today. We're really on our way, yeah.
They're like,
oh, you explode. Got the good old party mode, okay. Soon we're on our way, yeah. And our friends sure will tag along. 'Cause today's the day they all will join.
Good morning all. It is a Black Friday, the day after Thanksgiving 2021. And we are headed to Disney Springs because we have lunch
because we have no sense.
lunch reservations. It's 10:37. Our reservation's at 12. But we had no idea what the traffic situation would be, the parking deck situation would be on Black Friday. We're thinking that the locals wouldn't be here. They'd be out shopping elsewhere. But, you know, they might. We just have no idea. I mean, right now, the traffic doesn't look bad. So maybe we're okay. Alright, guys, wasn't bad. We actually got to park on level 2, which we never get to park on. And there's not a wait to go through security. So this is great. Wow. We may not be doing Gideon's today. Yeah. So there's Gideon's and it wraps all the way around there. Yep. I don't think so.
yeah, it's gonna be.
Finally, some adorable infant stuff, but $35. And of course, we absolutely love this. Oh, are you oh, I like it. Angry Donald. Look at his expression there, Chip.
It's the classic cartoon.
Well, look at that. They've already got New Year t-shirts out. Okay, they're both doing. Did she have a blowout? What happened? And what's going on? You're holding her like, huh? What are they trying to? What happened?
I don't know.
Oh.
Trying to make it
This is why she couldn't talk.
Oh. Peppermint bark nacho. Wow. Sounds good. They put Santa hats on all the horses. That's very festive. Table runner's cute, but this is cuter. I like the little tag on the back from Walt's Holiday Lodge. Have y'all ever actually paid attention to this mural in the Christmas store on the 7th day of Christmas? My true love gave to me 7 dwarfs a mining. Maybe I'll get her the Minnie Mouse 50th anniversary one.
a baby.
You see the snake? You see the snake?
She could care less.
No.
Yep, doesn't care. I love the Cocoa Pluto. Look at that, the ears, and it says hot cocoa. They have turned this area of the store into Beau's signature candles. All the Stance socks are 20% off. That's cool. Oh my gosh, she's Boo from Monsters Inc. Oh my gosh. Alright, it's 11:45. It is time to check in for our reservations. And we are Landry Select Club members. So once we check in, we should have no wait whatsoever because we get to go in front of other people. Got a nice center round table kind of back in the corner. Got elephant ears and an elephant butt. Oh, well that's pretty. Did it wake her up? No, it's not waking her up, did it? no, it woke her up. Oh, it woke her up. Got a China chicken salad, bacon cheeseburger, and they got 2 different type of stir fries that he got like a beef one, a Thailand or Korean one, and I don't know, vice versa, but they're gonna share a little bit so they can both try it. And Langley just got a basic cheeseburger and fries. Look, you're putting sunglasses on her. Oh no, so the sun won't be in her eyes. She's like, oh my God, the sun's in my eyes. Hi, wasn't that better? Yeah.
She's like, hey guys.
This morning, the Gideon's line was wrapped around, and now it's not bad at all.
What nerds. Gross.
I had no idea that Lakeland had the camera until I was editing. He called us gross. That's funny. Colby wants to go into the Coke store. That's what we're gonna do. He loves Coke, just like me. That is so... You would get this filthy at work at pajama day. You're buying it? How much is it? Well, scan one of the things and see what your discount's gonna be. You gotta put your mask up. We're making our way to the 2nd floor. Look at all the glass, the Coca-Cola glass on the wall. This is a long walk. So I noticed this, I'm like, what? 1971, that's my year. Unity collection. I'd like to buy the world of Coke. Oh my gosh, I remember all those commercials. Check it out, Coca-Cola Jim Shore. All right, we've all made our purchases. Now we're headed up to the 3rd floor so Colby can try some Cokes from around the world. Wow, didn't realize how busy it was gonna be. Alright, we're pumped about going into the new M&M store. It's so odd seeing all this Disney stuff integrated with the M&M stuff. It's really cool. So how long was our virtual queue? An hour and a half?
Just an hour and 40 minutes, so
we were in a virtual queue for Gideon's.
We've been in line about 5 minutes, and it was supposed to be 170 minutes, so it only turned out to be about 125 minutes.
Well, depends on when we get up there. But we have our December card. Again, I just love the artwork on these. I've been naughty employee. She is playing the part. Look at her. She's dressed kind of like a bat. Her makeup's like a bat. She's moving in slow motion and like very, watch her hands. She rocks. Watch her. The way she's looking at people. Okay, here we go. She's summoning the next people. Kudos to this girl. This is serious, guys. We didn't realize they had apparel, so when we get to the room, we'll open that up for you and I'll insert it. We're trying their special mint cold brew, and we spent over $100, but we got like 5 cookies, a piece of cake,
And 2 t-shirts.
2 t-shirts, and the coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah, exactly. Am I going to be able to drink it
I think so. I
so
think
that
you'll
you don't
like it.
taste a lot of coffee? Good.
Really?
Okay, good. Since the line is always on the other side, we always enter on the other side. Actually, never even been on this side to like look in the windows. Oh, such a cool store. Giant cookie. Love the inside of this store. I love the old school collection because souvenirs were always bells, salt and pepper shakers, thimbles, and spoons. Like, that is what everybody collected way back then. Oh my gosh, this is even better. A pen that's a spoon and a thimble, and a replica of the plastic back scratchers. Alright, who's a fan? This is awesome. You don't find a lot of merch with them on it.
It's perfect.
It is. That's very perfect. That is so 70s. We're on our way back to the Lime Garage, and we're actually cutting through the World of Disney because it is less crowded than outside. Like, I am so serious. We would not be able to walk this fast outside. This is stinking adorable. Is it wood? It's wood. Try me. Oh! That's cute. Whoa, $59.99. No can do. We literally took the stairs up because there was too many people waiting to get onto the escalators. 5:36. We are headed back to the hotel. Well, as you can see, very busy parking lot. Even people trying to leave. So that Langley and Colby can have a date night. Alright, so look at that. There's actual like glitter on that. Take a bite, Langley, see what it tastes like. Colby was quite impressed with the weight of these cookies. What? I forgot white chocolate and what else? Oh, coffee bean. Good, huh? You don't taste coffee? Maybe it's deeper in there. So we are on baby duty. Hopefully she doesn't duty too much tonight, or I'll make him change her. Y'all get that pun? Was that too much? The duty?
Plus, there's one page of channels, and then it goes to this one, and then it goes back to the other one. Is that literally it?
Yeah, there's not a lot. It ain't like.
So she fell asleep watching The Grinch Who Stole Christmas. All right, what did we get? This was the toffee limited edition cake. Wow. Oh no, it's sticking to the paper. Oh my. Oh, okay, here we go. Look how thick that is. It's supposed to be like double frosted. It smells like coffee. Not toffee, coffee. I'm so glad we're back in the room. That is so incredibly sweet that I need a glass of milk. But oh, so good. Moist, yum yum. And it is toffee. I don't know why. It just kind of smells like coffee, but toffee it is. Did that tickle? She just laughed when Langley did that.
You're a weird kid. Yeah,
Oh.
girl.
You.
Ooh.
Darn, she's not laughing like she did before I turned the camera on. She literally laughed when Langley did it. I think it tickled her nose. Oh, there's a little smile.
Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Your mommy's a weirdo. Your mommy's a weirdo.
You're such a giggler. Are you talking to? Tell me about it. Oh my gosh, tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Really? Oh. Oh. You just a squirmy pants. You see yourself? Oh. Did you just spot yourself in the camera? Oh, now that is fascinating. She's watching herself. You watching yourself in the camera? Oh, you gonna talk to the baby? Yeah, you gonna talk to the baby? Talk to that baby. Talk to her. She's like, I am trying my best to get up.
And more adventure awaits.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed, so we're on the run today.